laser marking machine. You can see it here. It's our
The new design.
It's our new design handheld fiber laser marking machine. So before we do marking test, I will introduce our company first, and then our sales engineer Simba will do a marking test with this new machine. If you are interested, you can stay in our room, and later we will show you.
Yes, you can also send any questions you have for the printers.
Yes. Okay, so let's watch the screen. I will introduce our company first. Our company name is Shenyang Fit Technology. It's a high-tech enterprise which integrates independent research and development, production, sales, and service. It specializes in providing industrial technology, coding technology, and traceable system. Our company was founded in 2010, and at the beginning, our team was only 13 members, and our shop was around 500 square meters. But after more than 10 years of persistent effort, our group has grown up to around 200 members, and our workshop now is around 2,000 square meters. Our main products are PID printers, and laser marking machines. Also include some like accessories like rotary, or we have also conveyors and paging machines. So for today's live streaming, we will introduce the fiber laser marking machines mainly. We all know that laser marking machines have fiber laser, CO2 laser, and UV laser. So what's the difference of the three kinds of laser? Most customers, when they want to buy a machine, but actually they don't know which kind of machine they need. So now I will introduce the difference between them. First of all, fiber laser marking machine is mainly for marking metal like aluminum, stainless steel, brass, bearing, and some jewelry. That these all metals can be marked by fiber. Also, fiber laser machines can mark on some non-metal materials, like we know HDPE pipe or HDPVC pipe, and also some PPR, PP material. So all these materials all can be marked by fiber. So what CO2 laser machine can mark is mainly for non-metal, like plastic, leather, wood, glass. Most of our customers, they will choose flying CO2 laser marking machine for the PET bottle production line. You know that? It's water bottle, like water bottle is PET bottle. So we usually use 9.3 wavelength to produce mark the PET bottle. So there will be a very good effect. So that's how CO2 laser work. How about UV laser? We normally use UV laser for marking plastic. also glass, but UV can make a very good marking effect on plastic. So that's the difference of the three kinds of laser marking machine. So after this live stream, maybe you will know more about the laser machines. So next time, if you want to buy a machine, you will know which is suitable for you. All right. Next, there are two photos of our company. The left side building, we work in this building. We have many offices, and they are all in the same building. This photo is one of our office. I work in this office. We have logos in our office. You can see here. Everywhere has our logo. And our it's lunchtime, so most our colleagues they went out for lunch. Someone still work during lunchtime. This page is about our history, of development. We can see the first time is 2010. Our company was established in 2010. In the beginning, our team members are 30, and our workshop size is around 500 square meters. After 2 years, we launched our first CIJ printer. Like I said just now, our main product has laser machines, CIJ printers, TIJ printers, right? So in 2012, we produced and launched our first CIJ printers. So CIJ printer, actually it can be used in many industries. So it can mark very fast. It's good for production line, and the effect cannot be removed easily. So that's the advantage of CIJ. And the consumption of CIJ printer is ink. In 2013, we expand our production workshop from 500 to 2,500 square meters. Our workshop and our office are located in different places, but in the same city. So most of our colleagues, like sales department, and we work together in the same office. But like our engineers, they stay in the workshop. They are in another place. Because you know that workshop is a big need a very big field. So it's most workshop are in the far from the central city. In 2015, we launched our first laser marking machine. 2016, we obtained our certificates like CE, ISO, ROHS, and FDA. Let's take a look at our certificates. Let's see. These are our certificates of the machines and of our company. So since we have all the authorized certificates, so it means we have the power to provide you trustable machines, because we have all machines have been authorized, so you can trust us and don't worry about like after sales service, or you don't need to worry about the quality. All right. So these are the certificates. In 2017, we launched the first encryption chip printer. It's a TID printer. We have some of hot-selling TID printers. We have handheld, we have online. So they are all very hot-selling and very popular. TID printer, the consumption of TID printers are mainly cartridges. So cartridges have many colors. It can also be used for production line. So it depends on your need. If you need a TID, or you need a CID, or you need a laser marking machine. So they all have different marking effect. If you want to mark on your product, but you don't know what kind of machine you need to buy, so you can contact us, and we will give you a very professional advice. We will advise you which machine is fit for you. In 2018, we joined in the Hong Kong packaging machinery exhibition. So in that exhibition, we observed many advantages of other companies' products, and after we come back, we optimized our own products to make them more useful and more functions. So that's what we got from the exhibition. Until this year, 2022, our users all over the world, the quantity is already over 200,000. They are all from they come from many different countries. Okay, next. Let's watch the map. It's mainly the distribution of our users. We can see that there are around 126 countries. The users are from 126 countries, and it's occupying 7% of the industry market. So let's take a look. Where are the users? There are 20% from North America. 20% users are from Europe. 16% customers are from South America. 12% users are from Africa. 32% from Asia. 8% from Oceania. So that's the mean distribution of our users. We can see that we can tell as the time passes, we have more and more users, and they come from more countries. So until this year, after 12 years development, and after 12 years effort, we have this amount of users. So I know that there are many SIM suppliers in China. Maybe you have consideration, and you have you don't know which supplier you need to choose. Maybe it's an advantage of us, so you can trust us because we have 12 years experience. We have all the certificates we need. Okay. Next, let's see. There is a screenshot of our customers' feedback. The first customer, he bought it's a portable laser marking machine. Later, we will show you this machine also. It's very hot selling because it's very small and very light. The net weight of this machine is only 25 kilograms. If you choose this machine, you can choose transportation by air or by express. Because the weight is light, so you can save much money from on the freight fee. The inside is very well made and very well great for the price. You buy a machine with a very lower price, but after you got the machine, you found that it's broken or it's second hand, right? So you need to consider the budget and the quality together. The second comment is from a customer who bought a handheld laser marking machine. This machine is mainly for very big product and some maybe round product. So you cannot move the product onto the table, right? Because it's very big and heavy. So you can hold this machine and move on the product. So it's very convenient to use. If you have very heavy and big product, you can choose this one. Okay. The third one is a desktop laser marking machine. This model, the best part is there is a PC laser machine. So if you don't have a computer at home, you can choose this model. There will be a workbench, so you can sit in front of this machine. And there is also a PC, so you don't need to prepare extra PC. Okay, like these two, they don't have PC together, so you need another laptop to work to make the machines operate. So that's the difference. The last two are TIG printers. This one is online TIG. This one is handheld TIG. So these are some of our machines. It's not all of our machines. If you don't know which kind of model you need to choose, you can ask us, and we have a whole catalog of our machines. So there will be list of all of our machines. You can check for your reference. There are some reasons that why you can trust us and why you can choose us. We have a good after-sales service. First, we will respond to you within 1 minute. Because our sales colleague, we have 24 hours shift. We have day work and night shift also. So if you have any questions, we will try to answer you within 1 minute. And if your questions are about some technical, we have the professional engineer for your help. We will try to solve your problems within 2 hours. There are some easy questions. We, sales engineer, we can answer for you. But if there are many difficult and many complex questions, we need to seek help from our engineer. So it may take some time, but we will try to get you back within 2 hours. And our machines have 2 years warranty. During the warranty period, we will have very professional, considerate, and timely service. Even if your machine has been about over 2 years, you can still contact us. We will also offer you some ideas or some advice about your machine. It's okay. We will try to help with our pleasure. So it's about our after sales service. There are some numbers. Let's see. The first number, 12. We have 12 years experience on coding machines. Maybe when you choose which supplier you want to cooperate with you, you can consider why we can insist for 12 years. The reason is we insist for 12 years because we are professional and we have many return customers. After they bought the first time, they will return and place other orders. So maybe it's a reason you can consider why you can choose us. All right. The second one, 126. Our machines have been exported to 126 countries. So if you are from a country that we have cooperated with, so maybe we can give you more advice about your country's payment way or your country's customs. If we already cooperate with your country, maybe we can give better advice. Third, 200,000. We have many users all over the world. The quantity is already up to 200,000. 2 years warranty, I have just explained just now. 16 quality certificates, we watched also just now, right? 200 team members. Until this year, our team members have grown up to 200. And we have 20 professional engineers. Actually, we have more than 20 for now, because this page we made it last year. So until this year, we have more than 20. You can take a look at the photos. The first one is during we joined the exhibition, the machinery exhibition. Our colleagues are replying the questions from our customer who is interested in our machines. These 2 photos left before the virus came. Some of our customers, they will come to visit us. So hope soon the virus will gone. So if you are interested, you can come to visit us. Visit our office or visit our factory. Welcome you. Today, we will mainly introduce this machine. It's our new launched handheld fiber laser marking machine. It's very portable. We just newly launched, but before we launch, there are already many customers have orders, pre-orders for it. There are some advantages. First, it's very light, only around 9 kilograms. It's only around 9 kilograms. And the screen is 8-inch. And there is a holder. You can hold here. And also, because it's very light, only me, a girl, can hold it, can pick it up. So if your product cannot be moved, or if your product is very heavy, so you can use this one. And the price is very, very competitive. Also, this model is only owned by us. No other companies have the right to sell this machine. All right. So the weight is very light, and the price is very competitive. Okay. Let's see most of our laser marking machines. As I said just now, there are fiber, CO2, and UV laser, right? And each kind of laser machine has flying models and static models. So what's the difference between the two models? I will explain briefly. Static, you can see that all the left machines are static models. All the right are flying models. So for static models, the thing is you need a worker or a labor to put the product onto the working bench of the machine. Am I understand? You need to bring the product onto the machine, and you need to click some button to make the machine start working. So that's static. So what is flying laser machines? For flying laser machines, it's mainly for production line. So it means you don't need any worker or you don't need anyone to operate. You can when your products on the conveyor, after producing, your products are conveyor. So after the sensor detects the product, it will mark automatically. So no need any worker, no need any labor. It's the difference from the laser machines, flying and static. Just now I have introduced the desktop models, right? And portable and handheld. This one is also very popular. It's separate. There is a cabinet. It's a laser and power supply and some main board inside the cabinet. And this part is the working bench with the galvanometer and the laser pass. So it's separate. You can put the cabinet under your table and put the working bench onto your table. So it can be separate. It's also very light. It's around 35 kilograms. The flying machine, this one is a UV laser machine. You can see there is a cabinet, right? It's a water cooling cabinet. It's mainly for UV laser. This one is a CO2 CO2 laser marking machine. We have many brand of the controller. So the main difference is the language. So if you are from a country who spoke Persian or other language, so we will advise you a suitable controller for you. This one is a fiber laser marking machine. We can see that it works with the conveyor. So we can put the product on the conveyor, and after the sensor, it's a sensor. After the sensor detects the products, it will start to mark. So that's how they work. So until now, I have introduced most of our machines and about our company. So if there are friends just coming to our live stream, you can, if you want to know something, you can continue to stay and leave your questions here. We will answer. You. Okay, for the live time, we give the time to our engineer Simba. Okay, so Simba will do a marking test with the machine.
Okay. Hello, dear friends. I'm here. I'm going to give a detailed introduction about the operation of this model. Okay. This is the main part of the laser. This one. It weighs about less than 10 kilograms. I think.
There is a customer asked if there is a discount. Yes, we have. We have a September festival, right?
September. Yeah.
We have a big festival in September. There is discount. Sir, by the way, so if you are interested, you can contact our colleague. They will tell you.
Please send us inquiry. We will send you the coupon for the discount. This is the laser head. Very lightweighted. And this model, we need to use this power cable, power cord. It needs to connect with the power supply. We also have another model which has a battery inside. Okay, I'm going to turn on this machine. Here's a switch. On this side, there's a small USB port. We can insert logo and Excel files inside. So we turn on the machine. This is the touch panel. We have different system languages setting and system setting. Language. We have Arabic. This is Russian, English, Spanish, Farsi, Persian, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese. Also many others. Thai, Turkish, with many other options. Let's give a marking text. Oh, I need to edit the text. To edit, this panel is touch panel. We can use our hand for editing. Text. Here we have Okay. Well, because of the light, maybe you cannot see the screen. Okay, I will edit a message. Face marking. Marking. Face marking. We can choose single line text or double line text. Let's try single line text first. The message we edit, we can use center function to make the message in the middle. Face marking. Okay, let's give a simple test. This is a metal cup. This is laser head. We can place the laser head on the material. We can use the light preview function. Here we can see the red light rectangular. Can you see? Here's a red rectangular. This is the marking area. We can press test manually here on the touch screen, and it will be starting. Yes. Marking finish. Yes, marking. We can also use another marking trigger. We start the software marking system, and then we will use this button, this trigger button. Very handy. We place the printhead anywhere here. We can start marking here. Okay. We can press this button on the handle, and it will start. We can try another text. Double line text. Double line text. We edit this message. We choose different font. Double line. Okay, we use this hatch function. Okay, try again. Start. We have a marking area, and press this button. Okay, this is the hatched letters. Except for the text, we can also mark barcode, QR code, pictures. Let's try a picture. We can draw a picture. We delete the message. We can use the drawing here. We draw a rectangular and draw a circle. We change the size. Change the size of the circle. Parameters 20. Center. Start. Here. We press this button. This is a drawing I created on the touch screen. We can adjust the laser power percentage. Welcome, welcome. We adjust the marking parameter. The marking speed we can adjust. Marking power we choose 90, very big. We can adjust. We use 60% of the power. Marking speed 500. Now we do another test and compare. Oh, now the color is better. It's not yellow. Okay. Parameter. This is a USB. USB. We have some pictures inside. I plug in. We find the pictures from here. Graph. The USB. We choose from USB. We have pictures. Oh, we can choose different format, PIT format. File name. Delete. We search vector graph marking test. And OK. Wow, very big. We need to adjust the size. Yeah, too big.
Do you need help?
Yes.
What help?
Any help? Oh. This is the PLT format.
What's logo?
Not a logo.
I didn't prepare videos today.
Oh, it's okay. We don't need
You can
videos.
continue marking.
Yes, for an hour. No problem. It's very easy.
Good job.
It's very big size. Okay,
Yeah.
welcome.
Do you know the size of the screen?
This size of the screen, do you know?
8 inch.
8 inch? Oh, do you know how to calculate the inch?
1 inch.
This size
Uh,
determines the how many inch. Okay, let's try this vector graph. Start marking. This is a picture, the vector graph picture. Oh, finish. Very nice. We are going to hatch this picture. We use this hatch function. Oh, wait. What's this? What's wrong? Let's make a text first. Welcome. Oh, this is the hatch function. Actually, we can remove our hand from the laser head. It's still okay. We don't need to always hold the handle. Oh no. Let me make some adjustment. stop the machine and enable tools with tools group ungroup. We need to use uncombination function. Field. Oh, wait a moment. Hash function. Return, undo. Okay, let's change the size. This size. Starts. Make the test again. We hatched. I want to reverse. It's the reverse function. ABC. Okay. Delete. Let's try. Let's try marking some BMP. Beat map. Wait. Beat. GPG format. BMP format. Let's try. Search. Oh, BMP. It's very big. Let's try another feature. PNG format. Try. Sticker. Oh. Yes. Take a seat. Let me try this. Adjust the height. And start marking. Finally. Very big. It's hard. This handheld can stand on the table. We don't need to hold all the time. You press this button. Oh, what's wrong? Finish? Oh, this card maybe I will change. Oh, this feature. Refresh new. Other functions. Let's change the picture. Edit. Resolution, brightness, contrast, reverse. Let's reverse. Delete. JPG format, JPG. JPG format. Where is? EMP format. Let's try. Oh, that's much better. Make a test. Objects out of range. Too big. Out of range. Make it bigger. Alright. Now test. Oh, it's very weird. Let's mark a date first. X is okay. X. Barcode. Can we mark barcode? Come on. Barcode and QR code we cannot try during live show. So what else can we do? Do you have any questions? Please let me know. There are very few parameters we need to adjust. Only setting, marking parameters, marking speed, power percentage. Only these two parameters we can make some adjustment for different material. We have marking parameters, area, laser, font management. This, let me find something else. Oh, what's this? This is the date. Objects out of range. What's wrong? Oh, we have something. What's this? Oh my god, very big. Still very big. Make a test. Oh, that's good. Let's adjust the parameters. delete. Marking info. Delete this message. Very. Let's insert the date and time. Simple. Okay, let's do a marking text. Start. No. We just setting not right. Corner delay. Jump delay. We need to select let's turn off this machine. I was scared. Oh my god, very fast. I didn't know what happened. Let's try marking on this on the front too. Oh, sorry. We can this way. Rotate. Rotate angle 90 degree. Make this smaller. Adjust the size. Start marking. Too small, too small. Adjust the size. 2. We choose double line text. Double line and use hash function. Start. Very long. The message very long. We rotate. Big size. Bigger, much bigger. Much better. This machine can mark text serial number, date, time, file read. Let's try serial number marking. Okay. Let's try serial marking. Start marking. Bigger size. Bigger size. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2. This is serial number marking. We can also mark date and time. Cancel. QR code. We have QR code. We have data matrix. The PDF QR code is not allowed. QR code, barcode, code type. We have many code types. After editing, we can save. We can also save the message and use it next time. We can save as and name the file name. We can also copy the message. Copy. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will do the testing for you. This is a fiber laser marking machine. It can mark on nearly all the metals and some non-metals. We have you can try to mark on this. This is a paper. Please edit this message. Oh, delete. Face marking. Let's do a test. We need to make the surface flat. Oh. This is the marking on the film, on the paper back. The software operation very easy. We can move the text. Let's try the picture format again. We insert the USB here. Here's a button graph, and we choose from USB format. We choose PLT format. Oh. We have a very big size PLT format here. Let's do the test. We change the size. Center, make it in the center. Start marking. We click this button and it will start marking. Very small. I can adjust the size. adjust the size. Stop and edit. The size will change. Oh, very big. The cut is not big enough. Okay, let's use the hatch function. Center. I need to reverse. Update. Let's do the test first. Marching very fast. It's better. This is a PLT format logo. Delete. We'll find another picture. PLT. Adjust the size. Very weird. Okay. Today we don't have much time. This machine is not difficult, very easy to use. So if you have any questions, please send us inquiry, and we will make another test. We'll take another video for you. and send it for you. Very simple and portable machine. You can carry this to anywhere. Less than 10 kg. If you finish the job, you can turn off the machine. Please don't forget our September activity. We have coupons for this model. Big discount. Please don't forget to send us inquiry. We hope to see you again.